that I don't love when I sing it, because this is like what I call my testimonial song, man. Something that I was going through at the time. We got the song in about, I think less than a week we did the song. We got everything together. It was right before our concert, and our first album came out before His Glory's concert, and we didn't have a song called For His Glory. So I can remember like it was yesterday, man. Me and Esmond were in my room, and he was on the keyboard, I was on the paper just writing. It took a couple hours, I'm not gonna lie, and I didn't let him leave the room. I'm like, bro, go on your phone, I don't care whatever you do, just don't leave. But I had a writer's block, and it was killing me because this was like probably gonna be the most important song that we're gonna sing. And I kept asking myself, why are we singing? Why are we singing? Why are we singing? You know? In 2012, I attended Andrews for a semester, and I got to stay with my uncle, Pastor Mark. And I was really inspired by the girls that were there. Janet, Jazzy, Munchie, and Nina. It was like almost a competition, and they were killing us. Me and Justin and all the boys, we were practicing like every day. And these girls were like singing the same song, but like 10 times better than us. But they brought that creativity out of me. Because I've written songs from like 8th grade, but they were like always for myself, for the world. But it was that time was when I first wrote my testimonial songs. And so this one, I just want to encourage you guys, man. I know we all go through stuff, and it's not going to end until we either die, until Jesus comes back. So this is going to be a reminder for me, for our group. We're still there, but we're still trying. We got to keep going. So I don't know what battles you guys are going through, what storms you're in. Just don't give up. It's going to be worth it in the end. I promise you.